Hey everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I'm going to chat with you about 3 tax advantages to being a passive investor. There are plenty more, but these are 3 main ones that I want to chat with you about today. But where are we coming from? Can you take a guess? So we are coming all the way from Paris, France. Michael and I have been exploring Paris with my parents, and they got to put their lock of love here at the Sacred Heart Church. And the greatest part about this iconic spot is that from this view that I'm on, it is all Paris, which is super amazing at sunset, at sunrise, like when the sky is perfectly clear, because you can see for miles and miles and miles, and it truly is just so beautiful here. Place of love. Mwah. But the 3 reasons, right? Let's get into those. The first one is depreciation, which is one of my very favorites. So unlike a stock, you do not own a piece of that company. But with real estate, you are an owner of that asset, of that building, of that property. And because of that, we as real estate investors get to take the depreciation from the building itself, from fixtures and finishers, from furniture, a lot of stuff on the inside, everything really but the land. And this helps your real estate income. And that is great for anybody who's passively investing or actively investing. It is a great benefit for anyone passively investing. So the second one is a 1031 exchange. A 1031 exchange enables you to defer capital gains taxes when you own a building and you take that building, and there are some rules and stipulations that go along with this, but it's pretty much like you are buying one building, and once you are done with the business plan or want to move on to another one or buy another building, within a certain amount of time, you can 1031 exchange into a new property or a new building, and you can defer property taxes or capital gains taxes until you are ready to just completely sell and not have a 1031 exchange on its own. And the third and final reason is the rental income. And this one is also huge because it's also not taxed as ordinary income. It's taxed as capital gains income, which is at a lower tax bracket. So just with rental income itself, it does not have Social Security or Medicare taxes taken out of it, which is another huge tax benefit of being a passive investor in a real estate syndication. So again, the 3 reasons are the depreciation, the 1031 exchange, and your rental income. Those are all great tax benefits to being an investor. And if you like the content in this video, please make sure to smash that like button below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so that you get notifications every time we are in a new place and make a new video for you. So until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo!